Hi, my name is Sydney Scott, and I will be discussing Module 3 Clinical Trial Scenario with you. As the CEO of a company that is currently going through a clinical trial, I would not notion to release the treatment early. One reason I would not notion to release this treatment early is due to safety and side effects. As the CEO, I think it is important that you consider the safety of your patients and participants. I believe that if we were to release this treatment early, then we would make the patients and participants vulnerable. Knowing that this clinical trial is in phase 2 is also a reason that I would not allow it to be released early. I believe that there are more procedures and protocols that are needed to be done before it is released to the public. As a CEO, I would publicly allow or reach out to the public to see if I could persuade or encourage them to participate. I believe that if I were to encourage them to participate, it would grow the study and allow it to move further along more quickly. As a CEO, I would also, if needed, bring the FDA in to allow them to explain and elaborate to the public as to why these protocols and procedures are needed to go through before a drug is released out to the public. I believe that as the public sees that this drug is getting better, it may get a little it may bring a little more pressure to the company and clinical trial to get it right, and it may cause more pressure on them to do things more quickly. But as a CEO, I would make sure to do things the way that it is supposed to be done in order for this trial and treatment to go smoothly and as quickly as possible, but not too quickly. I believe that if we were to move too quickly, it may cause things to get a little chaotic and not properly go through the steps that it needs to go through. So we will pay close attention and keep an eye out on things as that pressure builds up. I believe that if there was a huge amount of interest of the people and public that they want to get more involved into the study and to get that release, that they could also, I could also, as a CEO, maybe expand the sample size. I believe that expanding the sample size would allow us to get a very accurate and very thorough trial and study that needs to be done in order to release this drug as quickly and as efficiently as possible. I believe that as a CEO, the main things, safety, being efficient and as accurate as possible, it is needed to create a safe space to where people feel comfortable and that there is enough research done on the treatment itself that they will be vulnerable and use it even if there are some minor side effects. Thank you for discussing with me. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about any of the following things that I said, feel free to reach out. Bye.